Hello, my name is Carrie and I work at the George Memorial Library. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the Chilton DIY online auto repair manuals. Chilton is a database that offers step-by-step repair procedures, wiring diagrams, recalls, and technical service bulletins for most vehicles manufactured in the last 30 years. It is a fantastic resource for consumers, home mechanics, professionals, and aspiring professionals. Chilton DIY is organized around the vehicle selector function. You start by inputting information about the vehicle you're interested in. Here we will use the 2014 Honda CR-V as an example. And it will allow you to see data on repairs, maintenance, labor estimates, and technical service bulletins and recalls. The availability of information on each of these topics is dependent on the vehicle. Not every vehicle will have information on every topic. The first link, Repairs, is the information that draws the most users to Chilton and can offer the most value. Broken down by detailed topic and subtopic, users can easily and simply navigate to the repair that they would like to make. Let's say that we needed to replace the front brake pads of our 2014 CR-V. To do this, you would navigate to Brakes, Conventional Brake Components, Front Brake, Brake Pad, Front Brake Pad Removal and Installation. Or, if you'd like to move a little faster, you can also just input your search terms. Here we will type Replace Brake Pads. Both methods will get you to this page, which will give you detailed instruction on how to replace the brake pads, including information about the tools required and detailed diagrams. You also have the option of printing out the instructions and/or listening to them. The audio file can also be downloaded for later personal use. Just click on the download button to save it to your computer. The second link is Maintenance. Here you can review maintenance intervals and even print out a list to keep handy. Next is the Labor Estimating Guide. This guide can help professionals provide their customers with accurate quotes and ensure that their business remains profitable. Fourth is the Bulletins Recalls section. This section can be very useful for both current and prospective vehicle owners. If you already own a vehicle, the TSBs may give you a clue to what might be causing a mechanical issue, and if you're looking to buy a vehicle, it can give you an idea of what to look out for, including recalls that may still be outstanding. In addition to information about specific vehicles, Chilton also offers sample preparation quizzes for the Automotive Service Excellence ASE test and a video library that covers topics such as safety, diagnostics, fuel systems, and wiring. You can access these by using the menu at the topic page. Although the current vehicle that you have selected will be listed at the top, the video library resources are not vehicle specific and are designed to offer more general automotive knowledge. Thank you for watching this quick overview of the Chilton DIY Online Auto Repair Manuals database. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can reach us in person at any of our branch locations, online through chat, and over the phone.